We're trying fried chicken from Laffah in Dubai. Look at the size of that potato chip. Look how perfectly seasoned it is. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on this. They don't just make such perfectly fried chicken everywhere. All right, we're gonna grab, obviously start with the chicken skin. You are blessed if this is the size of a potato chip. It's a perfect meal. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that white meat. Perfectly fried white meat. Look at that. Look at that perfectly fried white meat. Look at that. You can't complain.